Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send money to a Wise account. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a fantastic app for sending money internationally with low fees and great exchange rates. Whether you're helping family abroad or splitting bills with friends, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Wise app downloaded on your phone or access it via their website. If you're new, sign up quickly, it's free and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard and click on Send Money. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to add the recipient's details. Enter their name, email, or Wise account information if they have one. Then, select the currency you want to send from and the currency they'll receive. For example, if you're sending USD to EUR, Wise will show you the current exchange rate and any fees up front, so there are no surprises. Now, choose how much you want to send. Double-check the amount because accuracy is key. Then, pick your payment method. You can use a bank transfer, debit card, or even credit card, depending on what's available in your region. Wise often offers the cheapest options, but fees can vary, so compare them. After that, review everything on the confirmation page. Make sure the details are correct, and hit Confirm to send the money. Wise is super secure, but always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for extra peace of mind. Once sent, you'll get a transaction reference number. You can track the status in the app, and it usually arrives in 1 to 2 business days. And just like that, you're done. There you have it. Sending money via Wise is straightforward and hassle-free. If you run into any issues, Wise has excellent customer support. Give this video a like if it helped, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.